You're a student, you're broke, and you're tired of asking your parents for money every single week. What if I told you there are 4 real ways and no experience needed, no big investment, that can get you to $10,000? Let's get into it.
Okay, method number 1, and this one is slept on. TikTok has a beta creator program that actually pays you for your videos. But here's the move, inatra number 1. You don't show your face, you don't need to be famous, you just need to pick one niche and go hard on it. Some niches that are crushing it right now: football edits, AI history storytelling, funny AI animated content, fruits dancing, wild characters, facts and listicles. Pick your niche. Post 2 to 3 videos per day, stay consistent. The TikTok program requires 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. And if you're posting daily, you can hit that in just a few weeks. Once you qualify, TikTok starts paying you directly for every view you get. If you want a full detailed video on exactly how to set this up step by step, comment TikTok below and I'll make it happen. Method number 2, blogging with ads. And yes, this still works in 2026. Here's how you start. Go to blogger.com, it's free. Create your blog, customize it, make it look clean. In the beginning, you won't qualify for Google AdSense, that's fine. Start with Adsterra or Monetag. Both are beginner friendly and will approve you fast. Now the key: you need traffic. Here's where you get it. Pinterest posts your blog articles as pins, Pinterest sends massive free traffic, TikTok creates short videos about your blog topic, and link in bio. Instagram, same idea. Post content related to your niche. The more traffic you send, the more ad clicks you get, the more money you make. Simple. Method 3 is one of my favorites: affiliate marketing with free Instagram traffic. Here's the plan. Sign up for an affiliate program, Amazon Associates, Temu, or any platform that has one. It's free to join. Create a simple blog or link page where you list your affiliate product links. Now go to Instagram, find or create short videos about the product you're promoting. A little editing, some good captions, post consistently. Put your blog link in your bio. People click, they buy, you get the commission. No product to create, no shipping, no customer service, you just connect people to products and get paid. Okay, this last one. This is where the real money is as a student. Here's what you do. Open Google Maps. Search for local businesses, coffee shops, restaurants, barber shops, beauty salons. Find ones with no website or a bad website. There are thousands of them. Grab their phone number, call them. Simple cold call, tell them, "Hi, I build professional websites for local businesses, and I'd love to help you get more customers online." Now here's the beautiful part. To build the website, you use AI tools like Claude or Lovable. They are incredible at designing and developing websites, and you can do it for free. Charge the business $200, $300, $500, they'll pay it. You used AI to build it for free, that's pure profit. So there you have it, 4 real ways to start making money as a student with zero experience and almost no money to start. TikTok creator program, blogging plus Adsterra ads. Affiliate marketing on Instagram, building AI websites for local businesses. If you want me to go deep on any one of these, just drop the number in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm dropping videos like this every week. See you in the next one.
You're a student,